In the second canto of Bhagavatam, there's some discussion in chapter 2, in Prabhupada's purport, text 35, 13 different points about how to see the soul, seeing the soul and the super soul by deduction, reason and perception. Very interesting. So we summarize these points. It's philosophy, but it's very important to help us understand the difference between the body, the soul. Who's actually the seer? Is the body the seer, or is the soul the seer? Is the eyeball seeing, or is the Atma seeing? So Prabhupada is saying in his purport that Krishna, Sri Krishna, is in every living being along with the individual soul. And we can actually perceive this fact by using reason and perception. And we can discover the presence of the super soul in everyone's heart.